Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Abigail R. Khanmalim bringing to the news and events from Meghalaya. Here are the headlines for today. Shillong All Faiths Forum celebrates its 3rd anniversary. District level Farmers Expo aims at farmers' development. Job fair empowers students of Don Bosco Technical School, Shillong. And KHADC begins Monolith Festival preparations. And now the news in detail. The Shillong All Faiths Forum celebrated its 3rd anniversary on August 10, marking 3 years since its establishment in 2020 during the height of the COVID-19 pandemic. The forum's primary goal is to foster peace and harmony within society and combat various societal issues such as drug abuse. The commemoration took place at the Bianchi Memorial Hall, Cathedral Parish, Lankra, with the presence of Meghalaya's Governor Fagu Chauhan. Attendees engaged in discussions about maintaining peace and security in Shillong and the border state. The event began with a welcome address by Most Reverend Bishop P. Lingdor from the Church of North India. Reverend Father Richard Majau, the Secretary of the Union, provided a comprehensive report detailing the Union's growth and progress since its inception. Cultural elements enriched the celebration as Senghasi Khmer youths presented a traditional song and members of the Shillong Gurdwara performed a dance. The occasion also featured insights shared by individuals like Arpita Barua, Naba Bhattacharjee, Dr. Omarlin Kindia and Noor Nongrum, who delivered a concluding speech. The Shillong All Faiths Forum 3rd anniversary celebration underscored its commitment to promoting unity and addressing societal challenges, standing as a testament to its enduring mission. Why?
Punjab, Sindh, Gujarat, Maratha, Dravida, Uttara, Banga, Indra, Himachal, Yamuna, Ganga, Ujjala, Jaladhitaranga, Tava Shubha Name Jage, Tava Shubha Ashish Mage, Gahe Tava Jaya Gada, Jana Jana Mangala Dayaka Jaya He Bharat.
Well, 3 years is not a very long time, considering the age of our state, Meghalaya. But SAF, as you have heard just now, was formed during the COVID problems. The government had invited the faith leaders to assist in helping people creating awareness among the people regarding the medicines, injections, and all that is necessary. So, as a SAF, we had helped the government in forming those SOP, Special Operation SOPs. We had formed those, submitted to the government, and they have been accepted. Then besides all those, then in the course of time, we have also met with the government with regard to drugs abuse, drinking. These are social issues which are so pertinent in our society. So we are still working on this with the government. And then, besides all that, the best part of SAF is that we are able to come together, to sit together as people of different faiths, which has never happened in the past. Now it is possible. What I said, though we belong to different faith communities, As we see today in our country, so much problems. SAF is a small seed we have planted 3 years ago. This is our prayer, this is our hope that continue to grow in the sense that continue to bring people together. And whatever service, whatever work that we are able to do, the government, the society required of us, the SAF is there, always willing to help and be of service to the society.
The city is not.
It is still to be verified, so that's why we have not really gone deep into the matter. But we are keeping up with all these incidents in the town. We in our last meeting, we have talked about Manipur, and immediately the one and the only thing that SAF can offer is prayer for peace, prayer for harmony. So we have done that, and together as one body, and we'll see in the future what can be done. We'll take it. SAF is there to bring about peace, harmony, brotherhood, discuss and see what we can do, or what way we can help the people in Manipur. If in Shillong this is possible, we believe that it should be possible anywhere.
In a collaborative effort between the Meghalaya Basin Management Agency (MBMA) and the District Administration of Southwest Garo Hills, the district-level Farmers Collectivization, Expo and Facilitation on Social Security Schemes was successfully organized at the Madhupara Government LP School Playground in Garubadha on 10th August. The event witnessed the presence of the Deputy Commissioner of Southwest Garo Hills, officials from various line departments and representatives from banks. It served as a vital platform for stakeholders in the agricultural sector, providing an opportunity for buyers and sellers to engage. Various line departments established informative stalls to enlighten attendees about a range of government schemes. The expo aimed to achieve several objectives, including raising awareness among societies and farmers about government schemes, familiarizing them with bank services, promoting interconnectivity among societies for marketing purposes, facilitating links between societies and buyers, and promoting enterprises through product showcases. The district-level Farmers Collectivization, Expo and Facilitation on Social Security Schemes underscores the commitment of MBMA District Administration and various stakeholders to empower farmers, enhance agricultural practices and foster sustainable growth. The Bosco Integrated Development Society successfully hosted a job fair on August 10, 2023 at Don Bosco Technical School, Shillong. The event was inaugurated by A. Kharpor, Director of Directorate of Employment and Craftsman Training, Shillong, in the esteemed presence of Father Paul Olincott, INTS Provincial, and other distinguished guests. The job fair witnessed participation from 34 diverse companies, all aiming to provide promising career prospects to the youth of Don Bosco Technical School, including students from Jowai, Nongson, and Shillong. The event marked a significant step towards empowering young talents in Meghalaya and fostering opportunities for their professional growth.
As the Director of TECT under the Labour Department, it is so heartening to see, it is a joy to see such a good response. I learned that there are 34 business houses that are participating today to provide openings, to provide placement opportunities for our skilled youths. When we talk about skilling, it is, it is the most talked about, the most important balance in, be it national, be it state or be it international sphere. Skilling has taken a very important place in the modern world, and we have seen this, that skills or skilling or skill development has cut across into the jurisdiction of regular education, where we have in our country the implementation of NEP, the National Education Policy, which has dovetailed or imbibed in it skilling as a very important component. And why is this so? Because skilling, it has been found that skilling or skill development is the best sphere or the best arena for providing opportunities to the youths to build up their career. It's the best job opportunity provider. So today I take this opportunity to encourage our youths to go for long-term or short-term skilling programs. There are various long-term, short-term skilling programs provided through the various ITIs of the government or private as the Don Bosco Technical Schools. We have ITIs in all the districts and even in the subdivision level at Sora. Once you have been certified as having a specific skill, don't remain stuck there. Enhance your skillings by taking opportunities of enhanced skillings or various other skillings provided by the various stakeholding departments. Register yourself in the employment exchanges, because employment exchange gives you a very good opportunity for placements. There is a special portal for specific skill registration, and various employers, both at the state level, national level, and even international level, they come with requisition for youths with special skills, So take this opportunity, be informed, and take opportunities of the various schemes and policies, projects that are there.
It is really my joy to be with you this morning, and I would like to congratulate the skill development of our province here, definitely in the leadership of James, Reggie, with the whole council that we have, and all the principals and the whole team for their commitment, for the dedication, the love that you have for our young people. Thank you very much in the name of the congregation and the province. I will thank each one of you for this. And I would like to congratulate once again for this Job Fair 23, the Don Bosco Technical School, together with Bosco Integrated Development Society, BITS, and all of you who are responsible for this. Dear dynamic youth of today, congratulations on being part of the vibrant tapestry of the Job Fair 2023. Today, we gather not just to explore job prospects, but to embark on a journey of self-discovery. growth, and limitless potential. As you step into this arena of opportunities, let your spirits soar and your aspirations take flight. In the world teeming with innovation and transformation, you stand at the forefront of change. Each of you holds within the power to shape the future, to carve out your unique path, and to leave an indelible mark on the canvas of time. The doors you open today are not just entryways to jobs. They are gateways to a realms of possibilities waiting for your exploration. But young people, see beyond the tables and brochures, which I'm going to explain in a few moments. So many tables are there, and so many brochures you receive from different companies. But envision these stalls, my young people, as gateways to your dreams. Remember this, as gateways to your dreams, all the stalls are here. Every conversation that you're going to have, every connection you make has the potential to alter the course of your life. Whether you are drawn to technology's enchanting dance, the canvas of creativity, the realm of finance, or the healing touch of healthcare, your journey begins here today. Your journey begins here today, my young people. Remember, my young people, success is not an end destination. It is a thrilling expedition. Embrace the inevitable hurdles as opportunities to learn, to grow, and evolve. Let setbacks be the fuel for your determination, and obstacles mere stepping stones towards your ultimate goals. My young people, the path you tread may seem daunting, but remember, every great story is woven with challenges. Your journey today will be your own, unique and incomparable. Embrace it with unwavering courage, resilience, and uninsatiable hunger of growth. Just as a diamond shines brightest under pressure, you too, my young people, will dazzle as you overcome obstacles. Embrace lifelong learning, for knowledge is the currency that propels you towards your dreams. In this ever-evolving landscape, those who adapt and learn will be true architects of progress. Above all, my dear young people, so many of you are here, hundreds of you are here. Believe in yourself. Very important this word. Believe in yourself. Do not believe in your parents. Do not believe on your friends. Most important is to believe in yourself.
The Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council is gearing up for the Monolith Festival in December by focusing on the repair of infrastructures at the Khasi Heritage Village in Mauplang. A recent inspection of the Heritage Village was conducted on August 10 with officials from various Meghalaya departments present. Led by Victor Rani and Rangansai Kharbuki, along with Lamprang Bala, the council and its chairman, who also serve as the MDC of the region, stated that their findings will be compiled into a report to be presented to the CEM for further action. This effort aims to ensure the successful execution of the upcoming Monolith Festival.
Kalong bangin pek ka priority ka badwan kam ka bangin le akman te yakine ngin ya hagini ki kendiat sengi ki banwan ngin sedang ya ka ban maramot ya ka ban renovation kat ka ba idon kam ka ba sya akman hagbi dei ban penbit penbiang alur ka water supply hagbi dei ban penbit penbiang bat ki electricity bat haga ju ko poru hagbi dei ban maramot yaki surok senong ki bangi idon kam na ke benta ketika program ka bana kaliang ka kansil ngin sa penlong hag banai Desember bargajing temu ko bakongsan hi kalau bangin showcase ya pertai ku mga ong ya gajing rius pa jongi haga bidei bat kariti ka dustur tengas ngau banong kita gidei kijing yo nong habangi penlong ya kene ka festival khalai khat sao bangi pelong khadu ya kene ka festival hari ngim siam layo shu bangin pelong festival kene ki senem ki basa dei halor kene ka nongrim basa sisin ki kwa biang bangin pelong ya kene ka festival mari ngi sungthu bangani ka Monolith Festival kum bangi la pelong hini ki senem ki baladeb ngi yu i bagadi ka we ni ki festival ngala ban ong ka bapau ni ki bapau nam tam na boro ki festival hapo ka jela ka jongi
ikan ikan jaka buruk kawai bat ka jingwan rae ila ki surok ki om kat noi e kam bu ka ti CDC ban pulut
harbidi bat ka jing penlut kat mentang nyimpat simle erma kat no ngin penlut ang ne tiga ni ka sengi ka bangiwan ban jurip ban pet ki ki kam ki basya akman bal se haki kendiat sengi ki banwan ngilala ya ka ba ngin hab ban penkre ban penbet penbiang ban erma ya gene ka jinglot hak bidai bat kene ka jing penbet penbiang penkre penkrum yeki kam kiba hakmat
Superintendent Engineer naga council lawan lang unsna ya ka DPR detail project report unsa please po isi khmat isi ta por gi unta ting la ban batai on constraint lim don re ga pisa ban long ban lo snam de le na ta ka da ba na du al da khatlai nim la ban long ya ka Monolith Festival te ha ka sin pat nilaya tmu ban long ya kane te usi yang la shim khia te ji sia si yang ban burong la dei ban dan lang ha ka ski ban wan jirip lang tang ba dang ka kam ko bakar ke ba hable chadel hi te ula pha tang yang em ban pe ya ka kam par ngen ai report yu ada lawan phai na pot delhi
ngeu ya ban penpau ya ka dak ji sung yu belai leng ba ka sngi ya ka ban ka liang ka Executive Committee jauh Khasi Hill Autonomous District Council haring kat lang bat ki officers nagaliang ka Sarkar Jela ki bakentup naga PWD Department PHE Department bat nagaliang ka MCL ngilayo ia ka ban wan jingo ia gene ka Khasi Heritage Village hangne po mau plang ka jing tmu ka bakong san ka jing wan ka jungi hang ne kalong na ka benta bangin penlong ya ka Monolith Festival hapo jong neusnem kata kala banlong haki tayew ningkong baar jong benai Desember tedei halor kene ka man na ka liang jongi ni wan hang ne ban pet ki ki kam ki bakong san ki bangidon ya ka ban le har bidei bat ke jing penkre penkrum ya ka tei ka festival ka bangin sa penlong sian ti na ka liang ka executive committee ni sngew ya ka ban ya ka jing khublei ka bakar pang ya ka PHE department PWD department bat na ka liang ka MECL department ki balai sim khialang banyawan ha ka ne ka sngi na ka benta kajing pen krek pen krum harbide bat ketika festival.
Deputy Commissioner of Southwest Khasi Hills, Bati Lingwa, graced the occasion as the chief guest during the unveiling of a significant fish pond at Dirang on August 9. The pond, dedicated to the memory of India's freedom fighters, stands as a testament to their sacrifices. Constructed under the Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Generation Scheme, the project saw an expenditure of 26 lakhs. The event was attended by esteemed individuals including L. Kinjing, SDO Civil of Ranikor, S. Marwin, BDO Ranikor, and Ba Didi Khardosau, Minister of Dirang. Also present were the men and women who played pivotal roles in ensuring the success of this project. During his address, T. Lingwa expressed his profound satisfaction with the serene and peaceful nature of the region. He emphasized the appropriateness of dedicating the pond to the freedom fighters, especially as the nation marks its 75th year of independence from foreign rule.
Hakapan kintiu yagari India. Makular ban penduna yaganu jingsngau syatemrau akibor nes jingsensyar nongwei. Makular ban songsarang haga ban kintiu ban penne pensa ban penrai yala kajong kariki kadustur. Makular banlong wanra ya gajing ya teli bat ban tesong ya gajing long kawai kari. Makular ban pendem ya gikamram bat gijing kekli bala benset hanga na kabenta kari. Makular ban nyau buram ya kalen ladi di reuslur na kabenta kari ban ngan penlej jimun banyada bat ban kmi ya kajingkeu iran jongkari kumlesibu bat kila ya roi ba hal ni senong ya kentu iki pin long ki bayane bat ya penne ya kene ka grup ke jogi bat kene nyele bon ki kam bukan penmentoi hi ya kilong gieng jong senong bola kan ni senong kalau ke barit ru Andrei kajingnya snokti lang jongti hani por penpau ni teli jongti nitip makani kasnong jongti kalau kasnong bayi telik maki kiri orang ba kilo diberi bola syai bola suku bola sempang de masuk box bun bangaya perlu iki hani por de nak yang jangan apa kalau iki ba nan lingba kan program sispa ni ni dandon si bun ki di bangin la wandang train ni semat ban internet yang ni ka pung ban senar kita ka jingkan kam ka ban internet ban kring ikin wan jokai te nakaliang office juga blok la tray system kila tray mir bat ni war habren ke jingduna ke jongki jingbam biang ndre kila penbiang yang ni ka program mementakasi nga ai publish bore ke kinong yo video ka group ke jongki nangka USDO berasim ya gajing dekle ban bertahan ni ke por de kani ka program mentah kan long kare ka kalong gajing sedang kan ban play ya ki jimut perkhat jongi ban play ya ki ban idea yang ni kumno bangin pen bahai ki kam ki jam ki jongi ban kumno bangin perkhat nang sekmat ni hagari jongi ni dan kam su ya ki reusur nomor ba nidan kam ya kalawai ba pernai ban yalam nanti ya upai jong kani kari jungi niket ba kani kari jungi kalau ka priu kari ko bon pai bat bon ki jat ki kenul ki bakher ndrei ni long pat kawai ban ni lai ne ya kata haru mata nyo ko san snem kata tekani gaji perlang ya kani khando na ki senang baro ki senang jangan ni ka rin dia jungi kalau ban penlum ki sejaka ban peni kata jinglong kawai kani kari ni te ki khanaru on sajiat ki na district program mana di ban mikmat sepo dari bat masko tenak sibon ba ki ini ki nong penong ke yo bentalang ha kani kaliau pai ba no kani senang dirang bat ya ki pai ba ke senong tolong ro ju ba kentang yai trace chekhan trace ya ka kam dikam ki ba penroi ha ka senong ka thau rang ba ki senong ki thau di kinong ki ba kinong ki ba ai ka jumotoi ya kinong song senong dengi dei ru ban pen ba ki jinx ni o kin dei ban rum apa kene senong ba ni ban husiar wat koi kalong yeng ni ban husiar ban pen bagi ko demi kinong ngap harikam basnio nomor lagi dan beri basnio hasinong ka rupang penyasinong rupa umar no bat ka jinsong sungsan ru ka ta no de ta ni de ban pet hajo don kinu ki beri okay ni ki ba ki wan ma tunchai tunchet ban yaram ki ko sama ni ban ya di je ki ding di ki ba kerja bat katang ni de ban husiar ba nomor kani ka laja aki thain mo korban bakal long ke sosi ya ki long yeng long sam hang tu te sama chong mai ko race sin ya pi ki video ki setup group ki pai nong song jong ni ga snong na ta ha ko jingalam jong sodar bola experience hai hakam ban ya train ya kam snong te ngane bagang snong kan nang roi sakmat tangini gintien.
On August 9th, a momentous event took place in Sakwang as the memorial statue of Aim Ngap Singh was unveiled amidst a vibrant gathering. The people of Southwest Khasi Hills enthusiastically participated in the public event, which coincided with the festive celebration of Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav, Mera Mati Mera Desh. LT Taryang, the ADC of the district, graced the occasion with their presence. The statue of Aim Ngap Singh was erected next to a pond that had been constructed by the community through the Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Generation Scheme. During the event, Taryang addressed the assembled crowd, emphasizing the significance of the day. They reminded everyone that the occasion was a tribute to the Honorable King of Hima Maharam, who had worked tirelessly to foster love and respect for one's homeland. The event was attended by notable figures including BDO Maukurwat Sin Adi Block, I. Lauren Young, Chief of Sakwang, and S. Kharjarin. Leaders of VEC Sakwang, students and residents from the region also graced the occasion, marking it a truly community-wide celebration.
Hadu mata berpengkut ya ini ka Independence Day kabani yo kecing lagi lo. Berkecing kita resmi pembela batai di video ada Shipang kapakosan yang kalamba katakan kendo bujuni mukali kaba ni yang kadika kini ka kendo bujuni kadika berokam ba anda ka kendo nrei hani ni ba ka project ba le nampak ka blog yang ke NGNRGS kita di kaum dan perlang yang mereka ke sini tu jangan senang berhal. Mereka segi kita berkongsi ke program hanti apa Ranikor Block, bala ledi Deputy Commissioner, hangi kumju kumbalau hanti ni dan atali di district program, hakabangi celebrate itu juga kenika kajian temu, kita kejendak jangka New Zealand ke India hari Independence Day mengiur ke Jinglai Lod bat ni pengkut hari ini mentah ke khasab tarik 10 August arja akulai bat haka khasab tarik August arja akulai in celebrate bat yang jinga bunyu pu Inggrisna syakhamat nimba ke MGNRGS dari gawin ski belokam haka ba kawin ke nong yen ke yo palat ka apu aja tam sisna kadang ke sebelum tu ya ba kimno kam ban che jinga gila menteri tangan badalani hen ngamtu ke sekolah dalam anu gi jokat pada kepala ke aspa tam kamu kepisah ka bandung apa kau itu di jok kau di Shillong kalau kau minjes kalau palat ya ka san paulat harus siklo bateri kepisah ka tundun hantu ke Shillong Bunagi ninda yos ninda suatu tanya ini kisah kai, kalau kisah telur ni orang berpisah, kalau kita agak bermuara kisah ruspa harus semua betul. Mungkin bawa mengiyo sistemnya, kalau ada man kian dalam yang berpisah, ketulun apa kesenang, ini tiap lagi bukan kesenang, ini pelokam yang service jadi beliau nak kesenang, industri, di nasional misalnya. halor gede mutan ni ngasukmen marang minta uskan ke district juni ke digawin ki bade bhakam ha ka bide ba ke MG Rajesh ha ka ba ni palat ya 60% ha boro atuli ki blok ha ka bide ba ka jintre ya ka scheme 60% ni ba boro atuli ki blok kitab ni 60% ba minta gasni ha ka bide ba scheme PMY ha bide ba ka convergence ya ka scheme ni betul na kalian ka blok ilapha ki representative sekir Shillong dan isim yang award pada district juni kayo yang ni ka award takaba kiwin di project ba bitam ang ready baka PMY tinre laranya pet bahang ya pet punya kalau hato mengikung pai bapa ni sotro kan ni jenato ni jui haki news haki TV Najukana po dalam Christmas New Year mo misi itu si ayeng bedok kiri simet dan lima dulu ni iya kini sekalian lagi kita pun lah maka apa nak kalian sokar nunjuk kami apa kini sekalian lagi channels kita repair minta keselam kemangan pipiang palat dia kesan aja lagi yang antara lagi kebehepan lesi hakini district san hajar lagi yang maka wig yang kan orang dunai kasih lak lai kau tinggal but ni so kemen so ya ka so kan dia ka bale ba ini but ini ban so kemen ru ka ni im hakali ka balayo ni im hakali ka balayo mundan kan orang cinte ini और किधर में जाने का तो बिजली तो बकला यो अब but hari ni Shillong nada ulu kena sekolah dan ulu kena ubrat plastik lalu penjabo kamarian dan ni kadar bar kuat bisa ya bisa ni para kena but iburu ika fine but ulu kena apa berkuat lalu buku polisi buku simkia ini Shillong but pilih ini Shillong ya kisentil ya kiflepat ya ketumbiang berkuat halu Shillong asim tibet takani kadar baca mungkinlah, but ngasusarang manitu ba hani apa di India ni le palat ya ke nyolak television, palat ya nyolak television dari ki villages, but ni Shillong wa mogen kadai ke way na ki Shillong ke bahasa aje panyo ya ke awat hang tiap wadali hari ni ke katuhan Islam julalek no, but na ke nyolak television Ide kan maar like lagi Shillong bisa aje apa di India. Tapi di Shillong wa malam beliau ban shimmy kini buat apa Delhi. But kini ada sih kat gaji itu jangan yang ni kalau gaji kami siap di kena school, tapi yang ni kini kalau kilong lagi kemen, ibaratnya kita pet ya ke sejenga kalau mungkin kan pet ya ke tangi ke basmio, pet ya ke gaji bahar kawan. Amat sini. Bagi kemen, ba Shillong sakon, kalau kawin Shillong kebanyalam, orang yang development, ini hak perdanyu. Ada aku yang saya sih mengcom, yai bas ini dari bayi nani kita apa yang nak now nongki berulung nongki berpenyok yang sangat yud. Hari ni ka hari ni perpelayan mempercayai kibor makan ini bagi Melayu. Kami ni kita boleh berku.
But kumta terter kapan kot ha news dam bomta but jing rakhi ya ka Independence Day na ni kasni jing lanjut ke bah hinyo kapan dong ha khasan trik August arjat apulai. Dia sansisian na shim ya ka ni team kepala pengkret nadu ka sarkar kami ba kadai kata ka team ka baki ka meri meti mere desh kata ka mot ka khandau ka jungi kari ka jungi te kumshi banta ha kane ki jigar ki layor ban pelong ya kane ka program menta rasmi ha kane ka pung kane ka amrit sarwa site kata kalong kumshi banta ha ka jing penet pensa ya ka mariam ka jungi bat kum ka jingar ki kane ka si ilala ban penet pensa andan ya kane ka amrit sarwa site ka baitana kane ka sni kalau rukai bas tanat bagi layo ru bamanta sini long ku kadak bagi la ru play yang ne kapungum ka bagi tanat ka badan ka shnong satwang bat kini ki pemerjan bat nenget lalong ru kawai na ki tourist spot nomor kalong bagi tanat sisa ne ka site bagi don menta dia kindiap kwa ru ban ten kemau ba hakane kasni ka bagi rakhi kasni jingla dua ila kumla batai menteri mene ni don ru yakine ki beneficiaries ki ba dei na pi me wai ni don ki khna school ni don ki ni nong tai job card joni ni bala yo bentalam bani shimenta hakane ki jingra khi yakane kasni la dua bat kum joru yakane ka jingple yakane ka amrit sarovar site hakashino mujumpi don kumba mai khoktam inong yo jingmentoi na kane scheme PMY hakane kasnam sapong ba penden sapong ka bahak hakane ka EC sapong but kini ki longyem kum ikwa ban pinshai chapi ba lingba kane ka scheme PMY in sala banyo ya kini ki ya ka yem ka jompi ringkat ba panchana ka ka gas ba ka electricity connection baro ka pendap hi how news nam araja apply arusab kumjuru kumkajing pendap limba ki schemes ke bangdan aku blok ba ki dan kini ki jing ai jing pendap sapang scheme of hair ngeta ki dan ki pamphlet bu bagi lara pinkre bagi sasam ya kini ki nongshi menta harne kasmi nakaliam jo DDU ji kwai idan ki training ki hair ki bala bang ai ya ki khna ki jimi kumba arpu tuli ki treats bagi la ban chimenta de kunjuru nakaliam narlam ki lawan chimenta ki self group bagi dan buon ki scheme livelihood ki farm activity pat ki ba ila juyo man kapur ba ni rakhi ya kane jimintoi ila yo kum ki nang samsnang jongari India.
In a lamentation of broken promises, villagers residing in the Resibel Para area of North Garo Hills district, Meghalaya, have voiced their dissatisfaction over the state of roads. Approximately 11 months after the local MLA came into the office with a pledge to enhance the region's infrastructure, residents find themselves delusioned as roads remained in dire condition. The roads connecting Resibel Para to Rongrong, a crucial route for several villages, has been the subject of concern due to its pitiable state. The lack of progress on road repair projects has caused widespread inconvenience, particularly to school-going children who navigate the road daily. Frustrated by the lack of official action, villagers have taken matters into their own hands, frequently engaging in communal efforts to repair and maintain the road. In light of the persisting issues, the villagers have made an earnest appeal to the local MLA. They are urging their representative to address the matter promptly and ensure that the road project is expedited. The FKJGP Greater Nongkhnum Circle held a meeting on August 10th with the District Medical and Health Officer of West Khasi Hills District to address concerns regarding the deteriorating conditions of sub-centers in the region. During the meeting, the union urged Dr. S.A. Lingdor to address the situation and support the essential needs of the Sangriang and Burki sub-centers. The union expressed dissatisfaction with the Burki sub-center, which has been without a nurse since the transfer of the previous nurse. Demands were put forth for the presence of medical staff, including nurses and doctors, along with the provision of necessary medical equipment, clean drinking water, sanitation staff, and repairs to damaged areas. The union emphasized that these steps are crucial to ensuring the health and safety of the local population. So viewers, with that, we have come to the end of today's edition. Till we meet again, thank you for joining us.